Hi guys, happy Friday. Now is what time now? I don't know, almost 9:30 na siguro. And now I didn't work too much ba because Friday naman, so I make it relax basta Friday. By myself only. I'm making maybe madam just sobritas na because now is Friday naman. Friday and Saturday. Diba? So what I'm telling, I work more talaga yung continue Sunday start from the school days of CC. Sunday until Thursday. So now I make what's that, this one? A video, very nice, very delicious. This one is a gift from the friend of Madam. Okay, this one. She keep this one and this one. Okay, and this one inside. She put in the paper bag. This one she put in the paper bag. Okay, so this one is open already. Yesterday, Madam, she opened. So I can open. Yesterday kasi it's still closed and Madam, she didn't yet open this one earlier, but she opened this one at night na, and I have no time na because I feel sleepy already from the family, from the house of the family of Madam. So now I open. Just a minute, just a minute. I need to open first, okay? Aray ko. Ano ba to? Ang hirap talaga, no? Pag hindi sa atin, hindi natin masyadong ano ba yun, mag-open. Okay? It's open na. Okay. Smell very good. Grabe, super ang smell ka. Very nice talaga ang smell ka. Very good. Smell delicious. This one only one, and there is another one also. Ayan o. There is another one. 2 layers, kumbaga. 2 layers, but it's the same. Oh, I try to Madam to watch that, to sell into the school, but the problem kasi sometimes she don't like. If she don't like talaga. Even I force already to eat, even the strawberry, because strawberry fruits sometimes hamod. It's not all kasi sweet. So sometimes you are fighting because I said, you must to eat because that one is good for your health. But if hamod, she don't like talaga, she confused. And kaya sometimes, what's that? I don't know. Because they are already big. That's why siguro, that is the main reason that she know na how to perfectly or almost 100% na talaga about the taste of the food that what she eat or what the food that I give her. Even for the biscuits, for the snacks, she don't like na, she want only Oreo or some corazon with chocolate, yung nasa sachet, the blue one. Ayun. Kaya it's very hard talaga. But sometimes of course I curse because she go in the school and she's always automatic pa naman she is saying that I'm hungry, why you don't bring this one, why? So that's the main reason that I give more snacks or food in his lunch box to go in the school. It's okay if you're in the house because anytime she can go only to the kitchen what we have here, so she eat. But sometimes also if no, she take cornflakes. Okay, so yesterday I test already this one. because Madam she ate already, so I'll tell her, say, can you keep also for me? Just imagine it's from London, diba? Oh, this one is from London. Oh, so now I want to eat my breakfast, but I stop first because I want to make video this one. Oh, diba? Oh, oh, even I'm a housemaid, but I can eat mga social, oh, diba? Oh, I stay in the, at least even I'm every day I'm working here, oh, everything is okay, oh, diba? So I'm very thankful for my employer, to my madam, to my sir, and to my sisi. Okay? So once again, thank you, and happy Friday to everyone, to the whole family of Madam, their sides and the sides also of sir. Thank you, except of my families, all families in the Philippines, because it's common na yan. It's, what's that? It's, what I mean common, it's necessary na ba? That is my necessary talaga to support like that one, love like that one. What I mean, daily ano na yan, part of my life. Okay, and here in my work also, it's like I'm including their family already. So, I'm very thankful. Thank you. And to all, lahat naman, to all nationwide and worldwide, to all the subscriber of mine, and to all that you are watching in my videos, you like or you're not, you share or no, you subscribe me or no. The important that I'm making a greetings through in the social media, in my simply and small account, or in my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you, I'm very thankful. Thank you nationwide and worldwide. We are not knowing each other, but I say thank you, and keep safe, and God bless us all. Be happy, even we have all trials, we have all problems. Every country there is a problem, but God knows everything. And that is the plan of God for us, one of us, okay? Thank you again. Thank you, and happy Friday to every one of us, nationwide and worldwide, okay? Yan na. I-close ko na to. Later na yan ako magkukuha na ulit. I take this one later. I eat my breakfast first, okay? Okay. Thank you for the friend of Madam also that I can test this one. Okay, yalla, bye.